On your left, you can find case types. So click on the case type. When you click on the case types, you will find this options. Here you have add a case type. Click on add case type. It will take, based upon the connection and based upon the service response, it will pop up an window like this, a model dialog, where you can enter the case type name. So I'm going to name it as a reconnection request. We will discuss about the naming conventions later. For now, just like on the flow, just understand the steps for creating a case type. If you expand the advanced settings, it will show you for the options what is the hierarchy. Again, for this we will have a different video. For now, just focus on the name alone. Click on submit. Once you click on submit, case designer will open. It just created the case type. So you see here, right, the reconnection request, that is the name that we gave for this case type. And now we are left with the choices. We can add different stages to this particular case type.